What's up, everybody? Picking up where we left off last video. This one is we're getting those front downturns that go towards the engine bay done. As you saw last time, I got the driver one done, and I just finished up the passenger side one here. What we have to do first is we have to get the welds done behind that on the cage, so it's fully welded on every tube, not covering up any non-welded spots. We have to grind the frame down, so let's get that done. So these are fully welded now. Come on, camera. There you go. Not bad. Ben's chopping the body mounts off. So we got the rear one over there. He's getting the rear one done over there. And he's getting moved to the fronts. All right, so I got the seatbelt bar tacked in place. It lands right in the middle of the seatbelt holes. It's only tacked for now. I think the next bars I'm gonna make are the ones that come from there down, and then the same thing for the fronts. So, got the seatbelt bar in, and then the two vertical bars are tacked in place. Getting ready to start doing the two front windshield bars. I think my plan from here on out is to do all the upper cage, so we'll get the roof bars next, the ones that come from outside corner back to the middle. We'll get those done next. We'll do our handle slash supporting tube about 1.5 inches there and there, so a handle get it up and out. And then we'll start working on all the little gussets and all the corners. And then kind of the same thing at the back here. This is a supporting bar, but we'll go ahead and put a gusset there and there, because why not? Let's be a little bit safer. And then we will run our bars that come from there down to the plate, there, down to that plate. Yeah. This is what we've got done. So I got the 2 front windshield bars there, and I'm working on the 2 down hoop bars that go from there through all that to the frame, and then same thing to the other side. So let's cut and knot some tube. All right, there you go, about 30 minutes later. 2 tubes all cut and notched up. You can kind of see what we're going for now. Plug for firewall, so we'll make a plate that sits there. Pass through the factory OEM plug sealed. Lines up with the verticals coming down. Ties in there. And this side is kind of the same. Factory plug. It'll come in to the firewall piece that sits right here. So, I think that is one of the last few pieces of 120 wall that will be used for the cage, minus the vertical that comes down, because everything else is a supporting one, and it can all be 95 wall from here on out, or the 1.5 inch 120 wall. So let's burn them in. All right, it is now Saturday. I think I'm gonna end the video here. Came up here to work on the truck a little bit, do some other things. But this is what I have got done today. Amazing how much you can get done when it's just a quiet shop and you can just focus and knock stuff out. So here we go. Got more of the floorboard done. So use that 1 inch 90 stuff. It's just tacked in there right now to kind of get the driver's side mocked in place. You can kind of see what we're going for there. This is the back of the floorboard. It is about 1.5 inches to 2 inches away from that cat. So this panel right here, we'll make it out of aluminum and rivet it down to get a little heat transfer. And we might double panel it or something like that. I got the center bar right here tacked in place that spans the gap between these. These are both only 28 inches, but I need to run one in there anyways for the firewall mounting and safety. And I got that one in as well. It's just really heavily tacked, welded all the way down the side. As you can see, it does its bottom of that tube to top of this tube, and there's a reason for that, and that I will show you in another video. I'm gonna do a few more things today, do a little more planning for the future stuff, but that's where I'm gonna leave you. Like, subscribe, share, all the fun things for me. Appreciate it, guys. See ya.